I was thinking, I never had a job I didn't like, but dishwashing. They had that dishwasher job, and look what I did with that. I turned it into something I was proud of, something I liked, essentially, because I was proud of it, because I was doing an excellent job. I was doing a better job than any other dishwasher in the history of dishwashers. More than likely, that's true. I don't know any, I can't imagine. I mean, it's possible some Greek dishwasher, just like incredibly proud and fascinated by their work. They did a great job. Right. Most dishwashers know. But in any case, yeah, see, so there's these aspects. Really, like, remember what, and I'll get back to what you were talking about, but remember what Stuart Emery said. We used to have pictures of Stuart Emery up here. He's seen some other people up here, but since we made a nice wall, I don't want to fuck up the wall. And before it used to just be beads, so stick a picture. A friend is somebody who supports you, not your bullshit. Okay? And it can be hard to, a lot of times what we do is we support our friends' bullshit thinking we're supporting them. Okay? But when you discern, and if you just pay attention a little bit, you can discern, oh, this is really bullshit. I'm not going to support that. I'll support you, but not your bullshit. Yeah, so the action, and or physical world versus the meaning you give it, what you say about it, what how you relate to it, etc. These are two different domains. And remember I pointed out in the apprentice program, in the old school, you'd have somebody make a phone call to whatever, city council or something, whatever like that, something. And they go through all kinds of stuff about it, procrastination, justification for that, excuse, not wanting to do it, resisting, emotional problems, resistance to it, not doing, etc. And then finally make the phone call, you see? And the phone call is like 5 minutes of their life. Usually it's inconsequential, 5 minutes of their life, right? Whereas they spent hours of their life with this other domain, you see? Devoted to the phone call they weren't doing, the phone call they were resisting doing, the phone call they were, blah, 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 like that, right? See? So all that stuff I told you, like Nieder said, well, thank you for all that effort. You gave me so much more. I just asked you to make a phone call. And you did so much more than I asked.
Thanks for watching. Taste Ralston's wisdom for yourself. Ralston didn't obtain his wisdom by watching videos. Join him in doing this work. Please check the links in the description.